Welcome back, everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about the pagination. So in general we use different kind of programming languages for the pagination, like we use the PHP or other languages, but here in a Bootstrap we're going to design the pagination. So how we can do that, again we're going to make the UL the list again, but this list is not going to be kind of a group list or something, or list group I mean to say, but it will be a list for now. So the pagination, the UL, the main tag, and right after that I'm just making the LI, and inside that LI I'm just gonna put something like previous, spelling should be corrected, previous, okay, LI, next, okay, that's cool. And between the previous and the next I just can put some different things like LI 1, or I think 2, Li 3, Li 4. Okay, save it. Now we need to go to the browser to check if it's actually working, so I'm going there. So let's just go to the browser, and yeah, you can see that it's actually working. You can see that the previous 2, 3, 4, and the next, but it's actually not the pagination we wanted. First of all, we need the class pagination here, and there I just want to have a new thing, the a tag, because it's after all a link. It's gonna be a link, by the way. So hyper reference like that, and I'm just going to the li and adding the space and adding the class again, and inside that I'm just putting the page item, and there I'm putting another class link, page link. Save. Now I need to go to the browser to check if it's working fine. So I'm just there and refreshing that. Now you can see that it's working fine, but the other ones are not for sure. So I need to make every one of them same as I did with the previous one. Hash. Okay, again the same thing. I'm going down on a command. Hash. Okay, the same thing there too. Hyper reference, hash, cover. Okay, a hyper reference, hash. Okay, that's covered too. Okay, I'm going there and I'm just adding the class there again. Class, page, item, and the class again. Page, item, and the class again. Page, item, and that same thing again. Page, item. Okay, that's awesome. And now I need to go to the browser again to check if it's if everything is fine. But one more thing I need to add, which is I'm adding here the page link. Okay, the same thing I'm just gonna do with others too. Page link, and again the same thing, class page link, and this one page link. Okay, save it. Now we need to go to the browser back and refreshing the page. There you can see that it's actually the pagination I wanted to make, and there it comes. So one or two more things are there when we talk about the pagination. How you tell the people that in which page you are right now. One thing I just wanted to clear, that actually you want to make a workable pagination, you need to know some programming, and you can use some kind of a PHP or in a Perl, the ASP.NET, or different kind of programmings, whatever way you want to use it. you know, the best from where you're going to bring up the data for the programming you're going to do. So uh, here I'm just guiding you how you can just make the designing. So well, here I just want to add something like active sign here to this one. To the second one, I'm adding the active, and for sure, you know what's going to happen. Refresh, there you can see that now it's telling that we are on number 2 page. So this is just to show which is actually active page. And now this one is I just want, oh okay, yeah, disabled. Disabled means I just don't want to make this one active ever, means it's actually literally disabled. Refresh that, now you can see that it's actually disabled, and the mean is the last page we have is a 4, so there is no next page. So ultimately it became inactive, or disabled actually. By the way, when we just turn things up in this way, so we also have some different things. I just gonna tell you, so we just need to go there, and I just need to copy that and there, and I just want to put the page spelling mistake layer SM save, and now go to the browser and refresh that. So there you can see that the small one, you can see that same thing but it's small, and right before that one it's a kind of middle size. That's why the pagination LG, this one is the middle one. Go there and refresh the page back, and there you'll see, refresh that. Now you can see that it's a big one, the middle one, and a small one. So these are the three designs we had in a pagination. So I think you just understood that too. And now I just wanted to tell you another thing which actually we call with the pagination, because almost it's the same, or I think I'll talk about that in the next lecture. So stay tuned and goodbye.